Hello guys, welcome to my channel Let's Linux, and today we are going to see how to install Apache Web Server from source code. So before get started, let's see a quick intro. What is a Apache Web Server? So Apache is basically a web server, and a web server is a software which can be installed on the server hardware later that can be provided web-based service on the internet. A server is nothing but like a computer like we are using, but it should have high specs and configuration to serve the millions of requests coming from all over the internet in a short period of time. Web server uses the HTTP and HTTPS protocol to serve the user requested content on the internet. Let me show you an example. Now I open my browser. Now I type youtube.com and I hit enter. Now we can able to see the YouTube website. So where this website is came from. As soon as I hit the enter, my request will go to the YouTube web server along with all other millions of users who are also trying to access the YouTube website at the same time, and then it will bring the content whatever placed in YouTube web server to my browser. So this is how a web server works. Now let's see how to install Apache from source code. For installing Apache, we have different types of methods. You can use yum install command to install Apache. Yum space install space httpd. If you use this command, the Apache installation is very easy. It will complete in few minutes. See, now Apache is installed. So this method is like installing Apache in an automatic method. So the Apache will be configured automatically and we don't need to do anything. This is one method of installing Apache. There is another method. That one is called source code installation. We need to compile and build Apache from its source code. That method is little bit difficult and it will take some time. So in this video, I am going to show you the second method. Actually, there is some benefits for compile and build Apache from its source code. By installing Apache from a source code, we can able to configure each and everything manually, so it will be more secure. And also, there is one another benefit. You can able to run two Apache web server in a single machine, and that we are going to see in a separate video. Now let's continue this Apache installation. Before that, I want to remove the Apache using yum command. Here I have the notepad for the command I am going to use in this video. I will also put this notepad in my Google Drive and I will give you the link in the description. Now first we need to install these packages. Wait for some time until the package is installed. Now the packages is installed. Now we need to install these packages. Wait for some time. Now all the required packages is installed. Now we can start compiling Apache from the source code. We need to download three packages to compile Apache from source code. First one is HTTPD package, and second one is APR, and third one is APR util. This APR and APR util is must required package for compiling Apache from source code. Here is the command to download the packages. Now simply copy the command and paste it here. Now HTTPD is downloading. Here the Apache version is 2.4.46. Now download second package. And download third package. After downloading, we need to extract all these packages. Now it's extracted. After extracting, you should be able to find three directories for HTTPD, APR util, and APR. Make sure you have these directories. Next thing is we need to move both these directories into HTTP directory in this specified path. For that, you can use this command. Now we can see both these directories are moved. Now change your directory path to HTTPD. Now type this command to start compiling process. So here I can see found APR source, source like APR and APR util. If you don't have APR and APR util under your HTTP directory, this command will throw error. So that's why we need to have these packages. Now copy this command and paste it here. By using this command, you can able to configure Apache here, and configuring SSL. This will enable SSL for our Apache and enable SO, and configuring Apache with npm event. This is the Apache's installation path. User local Apache 2. Normal yminstall Apache installation path will be /etc/httpd. Now type command like this. You can also change this path to whatever you like. Now hit enter and wait for some time. You will see something like this after the command completes. To complete the Apache installation, you need to give another two commands, make and make install. This command will prepare the Apache installation, and make install command will install the Apache. You need to wait until the command completes. After the make command completes, you will see something like this. Now type make install. Now hit enter and wait for some time. Now the Apache installation is completed. After installing Apache, you need to configure some things. So now you can see this command is not installed. If you use yminstall command, this command will work. For source code installation, this command will not work. We need to fix this. For that, follow this step. Now open this file. and here you need to put like this. This is my Apache installation directory. You need to change this path. If you change the Apache installation directory, here you need to put your Apache installation directory. Now save and close the file. So after you save the file, the command will not work. Why means you need to open a new terminal. Now I will open new terminal. I will close the connection and let's open new connection. Now type the command. Here you can see now the command is working. Next we need to configure the service for Apache. Now open the notepad. We need to create this HTTPD service file in this directory. Now type the command and hit enter. Now copy this configuration and paste it here. Here, this is my Apache installation path. If you are using different path, you need to change this. Now save and close the file. After creating service daemon, we need to reload the daemon. So type this command and hit enter. Now you can start the Apache service using this command. And don't forget to enable the service. If you don't enable the service, the next reboot, the service is automatically in stop state. So you need to enable the service. Now check the status. Systemctl status httpd. Here you must have active and running state and in enabled state. Once the Apache is installed, we can able to use. But before that, we need to open the Apache port in the firewall. For that, you can use this command. Now Apache port is added. Now we need to reload the firewall. This command will list what are the service and ports are open in firewall. Here you must see HTTP. Now copy your IP address and open your browser and paste your IP address. This is the content of my Apache Observer I have installed. Now my Apache Observer is working fine. So this is how we can install Apache from source code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel Let's Linux to watch more videos like this. And let's learn Linux.